Hi everyone, today I am going to walk you through the fundamental folder structure that I use when I code. 7 folders are created, similar to Common, Configuration, Constant, Model, Service, View, and View_Provider Model. All of our languages, app routes, themes, such as dark, light, and customizable, and translator are declared in the common folder. The common elements we used from the beginning to the end of our application. The config folder contains all static configuration, such as the base URL for the API and other items like API keys, payment secrets, and client IDs. The constant folder contains all constant values that are part of a certain class. To understand the structure of the API, we construct all of the API data models in the model. We next declare our services, such as the API and Firebase notification, inside the service folder. To carry out the business logics included in those files, we establish our providers or view models inside the view model folder. Furthermore, we declare screen UI in view folder. For example, after creating the home page's user interface, we first build the home_screen. File, which contains the custom widget that we define inside the widgets folder.